What's going on, guys? It's Eli. Yep. Birds of Prey. Me, along with Little Blue and Morgan, we had just got out seeing Birds of Prey. This is cool, this display and such for 1917. I'd like to see that. Sonic the Hedgehog and The Call Wild with Harrison Ford. So, yeah, they're closing up right now, so we are leaving. And yes, part of this vlog that you read, going out, you know, birthday treat and such, because as for those of you that know, today is my birthday, so it was fun. Birds of Prey was good, so I'm doing the vlog. Jeez. Did you not know? I told you I was doing the vlog.
Okay.
I told you.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez Louise.
I know.
Good Lord. Well, I am going to get a few things out of here. Oh, by the way, look what Morgan got me for my birthday. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Professor Hawk. Alright, I am going to, uh-oh. Piece of Walmart bag was... Yeah, I got everything. But we are leaving now, so... Uh-oh. So anyways... So I had asked both Morgan and Little Blue what they thought of Birds of Prey, and not much to say, huh? On Birds of Prey?
Not much. Language was a little too strong for me.
Okay.
Didn't like the music.
Yeah, and you, Morgan, you said you liked it?
Yes, I want, but I see me older me.
I'm too old for that stuff.
Well, I enjoyed
The
it.
old-fashioned good guys beats the bad guys. It's kind of
Well, I enjoyed it,
hard
so...
to know. Kind of hard to know where
I
to draw the
enjoyed
line between the good guys and the bad guys in that.
As I said, I enjoyed it, so...
That's all that matters. It's your birthday. You're supposed to enjoy it.
Of course,
It
yeah.
would be bad if you
Whether
whether
if we saw it not or on the day of my birthday, you know?
Exactly.
So...
The way things were looking, it was a little iffy whether we were going to make it or not, but we made it with plenty of time to spare.
Yeah. So, anyways... We're leaving now, and,
What is Osaka or car?
Well, anyways, so... I was hoping as though, guys, because I was kind of hoping as though for this vlog, but pretty much not. It's just going to be us leaving. We just left the theater, we're on driving and such, and thought we'd be getting like dinner and such, maybe make a birthday dinner, but unfortunately that's not happening, so...
Reason being,
because of time and such, you know.
and snow is on the way.
Snow, yeah.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, we're supposed to get about 2 to 4 inches tonight. And it's
Yeah.
supposed to be heavy, wet snow, which is also bad.
Okay. Well,
Another bear, another was parasitical.
To what?
So
I can go out to. I can just go down and get. No, I can't do that. I can't get on the interstate. I'm gonna have to go all the way down
yeah,
because of the bridge.
yes,
Yeah.
I said now.
Yeah. I know that. It's supposedly eastbound, but I'm starting to think they got the whole bridge shut down. I don't think.
I don't think.
Have a big
We'll just go down. We'll just take 23 all the way down, or 25.
Okay.
25.
want to see my Vespa?
Sure, yeah.
No, but maybe see on my Facebook the highway.
Oh, okay.
yawned, and now Little Blue's yawned. All of us are tired, so
Yeah.
pretty much.
So, a lot of action in it, I will say that.
Yeah. And the characters were good, don't you think?
They were interesting.
Yeah.
They were interesting.
Harley Quinn, once again, I thought Margot Robbie's Harley Quinn, she was good.
Yeah, I was just.
Remember, she first played Harley Quinn in Suicide Squad.
That sandwich, that egg sandwich was making me sick. Oh my God, it was nasty.
You don't like those kind of foods, the egg sandwich, or you don't like that?
No, I can't eat that. And fried egg with crispy edges. Oh.
Too much?
Yeah. That's what the gag. And cheese. Oh my, and bacon. Oh.
Yeah. And what about Ewan McGregor's Black Mask? Come on, at least, what about Ewan McGregor?
Yeah, that was cool. I mean, Ewan McGregor,
He's good in anything.
He acted crazy, which he was supposed to.
And evil, playing evil.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it was, he was good in it.
Yeah, and you're familiar with Black Mask, right?
Heard of him, never really.
I've heard of him as well. But we see him in live action and get to know him a little bit, so. And everything going on that, the narration of Harley Quinn and such, everything. And that little bit at the end, right before the movie ended, Harley Quinn said a little bit of dialogue,
Yep.
And what, was she almost about to reveal Batman's identity or something?
No, she was getting ready to say something else.
Okay. A total effing idiot or something? Kind of like that?
No, she was getting ready to say, I know who Batman, and then she that's what she was saying.
I know who Batman effing is.
Yeah.
I get it,
that's what she was getting at, and she's cut it off.
You laughed.
Yeah, I did, because she, the fact that they had it in, they knew people would be hanging around for an end scene, and so they gave it to them.
Very clever.
Yeah.
Very clever of them, so. But hey, I'm up for seeing that again, so.
Well, you have fun. Take your mommy to see it, see what she thinks about it. That's what you need to do. Take your mom to see it.
Sure, yeah.
Let her see it, and let her see what she thinks.
But, speaking of which, I haven't spoke to Morgan about this, and me, hopefully soon, and when this comes out in a few weeks, well, probably, yeah, I want to say around next week, yeah. Sonic the Hedgehog is coming out. Hopefully me and him will see that, so I haven't mentioned that.
What?
But I was mentioning this, if you're up for us, Morgan, this might have been brought up once, it was last year, you up for doing Sonic the Hedgehog? Wouldn't you be interested in seeing it with me or something like that?
Where is that? Okay.
That's next week, I think.
Maybe.
I think it was brought up when you, me, and AJ and Nate, we saw Detective Pikachu, and Sonic was brought up, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
Yeah. We haven't really talked about it in quite a while, and I'm bringing it up, so But just stay tuned, guys. I will keep you guys updated on that. And if that does happen, I will do a vlog of that, obviously. And it'll probably be just like how this one is and the other vlogs I've done after, movies, aftermath, those kind of stuff, doing them in one take, so, So, I will keep you guys updated on that, so, as I always do. But anyway, so, not much to say, guys. Nothing much to say now. I think I pretty much covered everything, but, anyway, so, anything else to say, Little Blue?
Nope. I'm good.
Anything else to say, Morgan?
That time.
Yeah, see, next time, as he's saying, so, yeah. Anyways, guys, so, with all that being said, I think we pretty much covered everything, so we hope you enjoyed this vlog in one take. Yep. Morgan says bye and such. Lulu, what else? Anything you gonna say off out? What are you gonna say?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay.
Off out.
Little Blue says bye-bye and off out. Morgan goes. And for me, we hope you enjoyed this vlog in one take. And what a way to do this on my birthday, you know, seeing birds of prey. And we'll see you guys in the next video / vlog. Take care and peace.